What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, instead of a regular vlog or anything, we're going to go ahead and do a how-to tutorial video of how to put on 5.0 badges on a Mustang, remove the old ones. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. For this tutorial, you're going to need some glue gun. It's the best thing to use against your paint for automotive things. If you're adding new badges, I'd suggest using some blue masking tape to go ahead and make sure it gets even and everything. You're going to need a heat gun and some fishing string, preferably about 12 inches of fishing string to go ahead and remove the emblems, and then a towel to use with. Go ahead and start to hit it with the heat gun. Stand about 6 inches away from the badge. Just get every little corner heated. Try to heat everywhere. After about 30 seconds, go ahead and try to use the fishing line to go ahead and pry underneath the glue and see if you can get the badge to remove. Yeah. After you go ahead and mask the little area off, before you put the new emblem on, you're going to want to take the glue gun and a microfiber, a dirty microfiber preferred, and you're going to go ahead and wipe all of this, wipe all this adhesive off real quick. After you remove the adhesive, you can go ahead and take the new protective strip off your other badges and go ahead and place it on there. Make sure it's wiped down and clean, not wet from the adhesive, not wet from the glue gun at all. Go ahead and apply your new badge. The adhesive is what makes sure it sticks, so go ahead and use the heat gun on the new glue to make sure it presses firmly against it. Very slow process, it has to be. After you go ahead and finish this side, go ahead and move around to the other side real quick. I actually had my friend here, my boy Andy over there. My boy Andy went ahead and removed the badges. Made sure everything was off, so all we got to do is literally just put this one on and call it a day.